The PIC Gold Pro comes with an owner's manual, a quick start guide, and an easy-to-follow recipe book. Before plugging it in, remove the protective plastics around the power cord and remove the sticker. The PIC works exclusively with induction-ready cookware. To check if your cookware is compatible, simply use a magnet. If a magnet sticks to the bottom of your cookware, it is compatible with the PIC. After plugging the PIC, press the power button to turn it on and off. If you try to start the PIC without a cookware on top, the PIC will not start and instead display a pot error. Once an induction cookware is placed within 1 minute of the error, the PIC will automatically begin induction heating. The PIC Gold Pro comes with 6 preset temperatures. The sear button sets the temperature to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, high at 425 degrees, medium high at 375 degrees, medium at 275 degrees, medium low at 175 degrees, and low at 100 degrees. The plus and minus buttons will adjust the temperature in 5-degree increments from as high as 575 degrees Fahrenheit to as low as 100 degrees Fahrenheit. You can hold the plus or minus button to change the temperature faster. LED lights will simultaneously display on 2 presets if the temperature is in between them. Press the time button to set the timer. While the number is flashing, use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the digit of the timer. After 2 seconds, the number will stop flashing and the timer will be set. Press the time button to toggle between the minute and hour digits of the timer. You can hold the plus or minus button to adjust the timer faster. The maximum time the PIC Gold Pro can cook for is 99 hours and 59 minutes. Press the play-pause button to begin heating the cookware to the selected temperature and begin the timer. When 1 minute is left, the display will count down from 59 seconds. When the timer hits 0, the PIC will automatically shut off. Wattage control offers versatile benefits tailored to different settings. Press the watts button to toggle the wattage of the PIC indicated by an LED light. You can select 700 watts for campers, RVs, boats, and dorms, 900 watts for smaller kitchens and apartments, or 1500 watts for maximum power and efficient cooking. The selected wattage will remain even after powering the PIC off and on again. The PIC Gold Pro includes a stage cooking function for up to 3 stages. To set up stage cooking, press the stage button and stage 1 will display on the screen. Select your temperature and time for stage 1. Press the stage button again and stage 2 will display on the screen. Select your temperature and time for stage 2. Press the stage button again and stage 3 will display on the screen. Select your temperature and time for stage 3. Press the play-pause button and the PIC will start heating the cookware via stage 1 first and then automatically switch to the next stage. After the final stage, the PIC will shut off. To mute the PIC Gold Pro, press and hold the low button until 2 beeps are heard. The buttons are now muted. To unmute, press and hold the low button again until 2 beeps are heard. To toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius on the display, press and hold the medium-high button. In Celsius, the plus and minus buttons will change the temperature in 1-degree increments. The selected temperature unit will remain even after the power is shut off and on. The PIC Gold Pro includes a lock feature designed for both safety and convenience. To lock the PIC keypad, press and hold the stage and medium buttons at the same time until 2 beeps are heard and the display shows lock on the screen. All buttons on the PIC will be locked except for the power button. To unlock the PIC, turn the power off and on again with the power button, or press and hold the stage button and medium button at the same time. When the PIC is on standby, the lock function will help prevent accidentally starting induction heating, acting as a safety measure to help prevent accidents and reduce the risk of potential fires or injuries. When the PIC is actively heating, the lock function will help prevent accidental changes to your settings while cooking and provide an added layer of safety. If there is an immediate need to shut off the PIC while it is both cooking and locked, press the power button to shut it off.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.